Hey guys, I'm Shraddha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to another vlog and welcome to Diwali vlog as I promised. We have like a few things to get done. We have to cook food, we have to do the entire decorations of the house, and we have to then attend Lakshmi Puja, get ready for Diwali. I already posted the get ready with me for Diwali. I'm gonna be getting ready almost the same, hopefully. So yeah, right now I just woke up. I gotta go take a shower and then come back. So before that, I know it's been a while since I've done like a mini haul on my channel, so let me just show you a lot of, not a lot, few things which I got from Nykaa. So let's start with that. Hi, welcome to this pretty little corner in my room. So I wanted to show you my haul here. So I got like a bunch of hand washes from Bath and Body Works because I really feel like once you start using hand washes from Bath and Body Works, there is no going back. Firstly, I got this one. This is the Cactus Blossom, and my camera wants to focus on the background. So firstly I got a Cactus Blossom, and then we have a Japanese Cherry Blossom. I don't know what is this with blossoms. I just realized I got two blossoms. And then we have Black Cherry Merlot. I don't know, that's how it's pronounced. So this is another one. So the next one is actually Darkest. Darkest has to be, one of my most favorite fragrances from Bath and Body Works. I know it is a little too dark and musky, but that is how I like my fragrances. To be honest, dark. So one though I completed one completely, and then I got like a bigger bottle. I also finished like the body wash and the moisturizer. So I thought, chalo, let's bring a hand wash. And then the next one which I have is Rose Water and Ivy. I also have like a rose what do I say, body lotion, but I don't know. Bath and Body Works hand washes are a little expensive, but they are worth the experience, I can say. And then those are the 5 hand washes which I got, and I got a few shower gels. The first one is this one. This is the Lux what do I say, Botanicals Glowing Skin. To be honest, the fragrance is little nice. It's not very long lasting, to be honest, and also it makes your skin super dry. That is the body wash which I tried last night. I wanted to try Mamaearth, so I got the Mamaearth's charcoal body wash. I haven't tried it yet. It's sealed, as you can see. And then I got Nivea's Clay Fresh Ginger and Basil body wash. This is how it looks like. And then I have a Nivea Clay Fresh Hibiscus and Grapefruit body wash. And then we have Plum Blossom body wash. I know, another blossom, but I don't know. I haven't even realized that. And then I got this exfoliator from Dove. This is their exfoliating body polish, pomegranate seeds and shea butter, if you can see. I heard a lot of people raving about it, so I wanted an exfoliator, so I thought, why not give it a try. So yeah, these are pretty much all the products which I got. Also, wait, I'll show you that gift in a while. That was actually sent to me by Charan. Show you all of that in a bit. Hi, so before my mom kicks me out of the house for doing all of this, I'll quickly go take a shower and be back. Let's do like a shower transition. And I'm back. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing like a red kurti for the meantime. This is not my Diwali outfit. I'm going to be changing it. I'm just done with the bath. I moisturized my face, but it still looks a little dry. I applied some red lipstick, and now it's getting super late, so let's go cooking. Let's go cook some food. I'm making some palak dal, palakura papu as we call it, or you can call, spinach bought into the right pressure with lentils and whatnot, but it's palakura papu for me. So I'm gonna be making that. I'm gonna be making some aloo curry. I'm gonna be making some spinach curry, no, not spinach curry, some bendi curry, bendi fry, I can say. And then my mom is gonna make some puri, bhaji and some rice. So that is the menu for today. So let's get cooking. My cousins are coming over for lunch, so we have everything should be done before that, and then I have to start decorations. So let's go. Hi guys, so I took a break from cooking and it's our tradition to start the day with this sweet. This is called as penilo. It's basically you get the white part outside, and in this you need to add milk and sugar. I'm already mouth watering. And this you put to God like a prasad, and you have to start your day, your Diwali with this. Like Diwali is supposed to be like a new year kind of thing, right? So that is how you start, and that is the first thing you have to have. And so good. I really love this so much. I don't really, from that time I have turned on like the time lapse, and then I suddenly stopped it. Actually the camera stopped it by itself. I'm thinking why to bore you like with all the cooking content. It's gonna consume a lot of the time of the video. So I'm going to be giving you all a break, but I'm gonna be giving you updates as to what is happening. So I'll show you once it is done. But before that I'll have my penilo. So hungry actually. Hi. So I wanted to give you like updates, even though they seem a little boring. I like watching them, but yeah, they might be boring for you guys. So I'm done with the cooking. It's 2 p.m. right now. Like, let me just show them to you. So here is our palakura pappu or palak dal, whatever you wanna call it. Here is our aloo fry. So these are the dishes. So here is my aloo fry. Here is some palakura pappu, and here is some bhendi fry. So I'm done with my cooking. They look super good actually to my eyes, and I'm really hungry. They smell great too. Also, I quickly wanted to show you this gift which was actually given by Charan. So this is actually from the Obroma. Firstly, can we appreciate the packaging? All of these actually came in this dabba, and you know, it has the name and everything. So yeah, it all came in this dabba, and just look at the aesthetics of this packaging. It's so nice. It has all the nice pastel colors. I'm like obsessed with the packaging. Now coming to the things which are inside. The first one are these healthy snacks, which I'm sure I'm not gonna be touching a lot. It has bajra cookies, nachni cookies, and black pepper sourdough cooked crackers. Sorry, all are crackers, not cookies. So this is how it looks like. And then we have these biscuits. They are actually like packed in golden wrapper, but inside it actually has like a Twix, you know the Twix chocolate, that consistency. Initially I was wrong judging it. I didn't really like them, but they are so good. These are chocolate coated biscuits, and they're so yum, I can't even tell you. Then we have this one. Oh my god, like just look at it guys, like but all of this is made of egg. We don't really have egg in this month, so I'm going to give this to Charan. So yeah, even though it was given to me by him. The another box we have is this one. Let me open it and show you. Yeah, this packet got delivered yesterday, but all of the sweets are almost over. These are so good, like I can't even tell you. I still haven't tried these, but there were chocolate what do I say, mini pastries and everything. This is veg again. It was so good, like I can't even describe it. I'm literally mouth watering, you know, imagining that. Even this has like these individually, these can be picked up individually. If you can see, even this thing has chocolate. You have no idea how much I love chocolate. Also, I did like a chocolate food challenge, which will be coming up super soon on my channel. And the last thing which we have is this one. This is called as the babka, if that's how it's called. It sounds a little funny to me, but again it's made with egg, so I won't be able to eat it. But this is like my dream dessert. If you can read the description, it actually has all of the things which I'm going to absolutely love. It has chocolate, it has hazelnut, although I hate nuts other than that. But look at it guys, the camera is not doing justice to it. So yeah, these are all the things that we got. And also this super cute packaging. If I remove this cover, like this bag, I can actually utilize this niche ka thing. So yeah, so good. Hi guys, so I'm done with the lunch. Now let's start the decoration. First, let me show you like our Diwali stash. We have like a huge trunk filled with all the decor. So let me just show. So this is the trunk which has all of the Diwali saman in it. Like see, all of it has like a lot of decorations, and you know, diyas, if you can see here. And there are a lot of diyas, if you can see. We have a lot of diyas and a lot of decorative stuff in general. I don't I have to do this thing in my mind, so I'm just gonna be going through all of this and decorating my outer room first. So guys, this is the outer view of our outside hall. I asked my mom to give me the permission to remove these, but she disagreed. Also, if you're wondering where is Louis, we sent Louis to our farmhouse. So our caretakers are going to take care of him, because our apartment people burst a lot of crackers and Louis gets very disturbed. He's super scared of them. He just cannot be himself. He's just extremely scared of crackers. So that in that place, you know, there are not many people and can't really hear many crackers. So Louis is much safer there. So that's the reason why we actually sent him there, that I can do like a time lapse of all the things that I'm gonna be doing. So yeah, let's go. Hi guys, so the time right now is actually 7 p.m. All the decorations are finally done after so long. So I'll quickly go take a shower. I have to come back, light all the diyas. So much in a hurry, you know, and I'm also wearing a different outfit. So as to my get ready with me video, I'll show you once I get ready. Guys, I didn't change my outfit yet. First I'm gonna be lighting all of these because it's getting super late. So I'm gonna be lighting up everything, then give you like a tour and then get ready and change. So it's getting super late, so let's just quickly let me give you like a quick tour. So this is the entrance of our house. We have these diyas placed right here, and here I have placed in the, like, here is the rangoli which my mom made, and I placed like a 5-faced diya right here, and here are two diyas, and there is this lighting, disco lighting going on, as Sharan was calling it. So as we enter, the first thing which we see is the rangoli right here, where I placed as many diyas as possible. And coming here, have placed a few candles, if you can see. So yeah, and coming here, I don't want to miss any small detail, so I placed like a few floating candles here and some floating candles in right there, and just like a decorative piece right here. Now this is the door, and as we move towards the right, here I placed a few diyas. which are almost about to go. So yeah, I placed a few diyas and some more floating candles here. And coming here, there is again like a little bit of a small detailing going on. And here I placed a lot of marigold flowers, and here are some of our candles and this light setup, which I got inspired from Pinterest actually. So that is how the corner of this house looks like. So coming to the overall look, this is how our hall looks like. Really nice, like it. Now here is the thing, and this is how we go inside. As we enter towards the right, we have like a dining table, and here I have put like a little bit of a candle setup again. And as we move here is a little bit of a decoration again. I didn't want to miss any small details. So here we have like a set of 3 candles ka thing, and this is how it looks like. And from there, as we move towards the right, I place like 2 cute candles right here. Again, I like pretty corners. And here we have another rangoli with some diyas and everything, if you can see. And as we move here I've placed like 2 more candles and some decorative items like that. And as we move towards the right, this has to be like one of my favorite corners. I've placed as many candles as I can. And as we move towards here is our balcony, and our balcony I placed these candles with some rose petals, which looks super cute. And here we have like some more candles placed. So this is a little decor which I have done in my room. Not really like a decor, but I lit up a few candles. And here is a diya, and I also turned on like these lights. And yeah, even these lights actually make my room look so nice, you know. Like, yeah, I look this bad right now. I'll quickly go change and come back. I'm back. So guys, this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing like a really nice wine color lehenga, and this is my makeup, and this is my jewelry. I'm obsessed with how this look goes together. Like, I'm really loving it. Also, wait, I wish I could turn on like the ring light and properly, but wait, let's go outside. Actually, my room has all the contrast of lights. So guys, coming to the makeup, this is how it looks like. I didn't put like a complete purple shadow, but I really wanted. There are a lot of people bursting crackers, but you know, there's a tinge of purple, and my mom is actually forcing me to put a bindi. This looks like more of like a Indo-Western modern kind of a look, and I don't really want to put bindi on it, but my mom's gonna kill me if I don't, so I'm gonna put the bindi. Yeah, this is my outfit. Like, wait, I'll show you like a full outfit. So guys, this is how my outfit looks like. I'm actually obsessed with it. Like, have to say, this is like one of my best ever Diwali outfits. And yeah, oh my god guys, I should stop saying this, but I'm loving it. I'm really loving it. Also, okay, let me zoom you in a little bit. Yeah, that's way too much. But this is how my makeup looks like. I try to apply like a little bit of like a brownie nude lipstick, and my eyes are like have a tinge of color. And yeah, I should say I'm obsessed. I can't wait to click pictures. But you know, whenever I get ready, well, that's the day when I don't get good pictures, you know. I hope I'll get some today. But hi guys, so I'm checking in after an hour. I'm just done filming few reels, few matlab 2 reels actually. So yeah, I'm really obsessed. Like, oh, I'm loving the way I'm looking today. Even the lip shade has come so perfectly. It's not too nude, not too bright, just the right shade. Like, oh, I don't want to remove this look only, you know. And with the background, oh my god, feel like I'm in a main character of some movie. So yeah, that is pretty much it for today. We are gonna be having dinner. I'm not gonna be bursting any crackers. I personally do not like crackers. I don't like the sound of crackers. I'm scared of them actually. I'm like Louie. So yes, this Diwali, be a pataka, don't burn one, is what I always say, and what I will say today. So yeah, my cousins have come, so we are gonna go have some dinner, and I'll see you if there's something, if we do something, or this will be pretty much it for this vlog. I really hope it wasn't very boring, or I don't know if I was able to put a lot of content into it. I hope so. And please let me know how was my Diwali decorations. I should probably do all the decor on my own, is what I understood recently. Like, even if it's not great, I'll be satisfied because I've done it. So yeah, I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Take care.